Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Indonesia. How was your flight? Is it good? Glad to hear that. Ladies and gentlemen, please adjust your watch. I would like to inform you that our local time is 8:30 a.m. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before I explain to you about our program today, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Amelia Rizky Anggraini, but you can call me Amel. I'm from Pelangi Tour and Travel. I would like to welcome you to this lovely country, Indonesia. And I will be your tour guide today and take you to the hotel for your accommodations. In this lovely morning tour, we will have Mr. Acep as our driver. He is one of our professional driver and he has been driving coaches for 10 years. So do not worry about your safety because you are in the right hands. Ladies and gentlemen, we will also have Mr. Odang as our co-driver. He will accompany us during this tour and he will always ready to help you anytime. Is there any question? No? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, based on our itinerary today, I will drop you to the hotel. It's named Pullman Hotel. It is a 5-star hotel. Hotel provides you all facilities that you need. If you want to spend most of your time in the hotel, you do not have to worry about your meal because this hotel provides you a 24-hour coffee shop and 2 restaurants with their delicious menu. To increase your comfort during your stay, the hotel invites you to join the fitness club. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes we will arrive at the hotel, so please prepare yourself. Do not forget to check your personal belongings. Do not let anything left behind, and I would like to say, selamat beristirahat, have a nice day, and see you tomorrow morning. I will see you again at 8 a.m. Good morning. How are you today? Good? Okay then, very well. Before we start our tour, let me give you some general information about Indonesia to help you understand about the city and its people. Indonesia is the largest archipelago comprising more than 17,000 islands, contains a population numbering around 250 million people, a number that makes Indonesia the 4th most populous country in the world. As the largest archipelagic country in the world, Indonesia is blessed with so many different people, culture, language, custom, traditions, artworks, food, which is one of the most delicious food. Rendang is come from Indonesia, especially Sumatra. Animal, plants, landscape, and everything that made it almost like 100 or even 200 countries melted beautifully into one. Every island here is a unique mixture of a natural splendors and different cultures of people who live upon it. From the vibrant tourist paradise of Bali and Lombok to the mysteriously sordid cultures of the Asmat in the Papua and those who dwell the highlands of Toraja in South Sulawesi. In Indonesia, there are several diverse native languages such as Sundanese, Japanese, and etc. But Bahasa Indonesia is the official language of Indonesia. Bahasa Indonesia is very similar to Bahasa Malay in neighboring Malaysia. English is spoken at least in a limited capacity by those in the tourism industry of Indonesia. All of our guides speak English. However, do not expect to hear a lot of English in a rural area. Almost 90% of the populations of Indonesia is Muslim, joining the archipelago the title of the largest Muslim populations in the country. However, Sharia law, the Islamic law, isn't implemented in all of Indonesia, where there are 6 official religions. It is Islam, Protestant, Catholic, Hindu, Confucians, and Buddhism. The Indonesian constitutions guarantee all people in Indonesia the freedom of worship, each according to his or her own religions or belief. It also stipulates that the state shall be based upon the belief in the one and only God. It is a condition which is also forms the first principle of the Pancasila, the Indonesian state philosophy introduced by Sukarno in 1945. Indonesia have a national motto named Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, or unity in the diversity, refers to the parity in the country's internal composition, but also indicates that despite all the differences in the multicultural society, there is true sense of unity or Indonesianness among the people of Indonesia. That's a little bit information for me. We will wrap in all first stop in 5 minutes. Thank you so much.